Hello guys, what's up? I'm Suresh Designer. Today I want to talk about how we can model different type of terrains in SketchUp. Terrains and landscapes are very important in our modeling and designing. After that you can render animation with different type of motor engines like the V-Ray, Corona or Enscape. So let's get for it. I delete this character. I'm gonna right click on this window and I have some option called SandBox, but in the second way you can activate it from view, toolbar, come down, check the SandBox and press close and drag it here. Alright, I start with this option called create a terrain. So I click on the origin, on green axis I type 100 meter, and on the red axis I sweep and drag my mouse something about 100 meter again. Alright, let's get to work. I double click on it because it's a group. I can right click on it and press edit group. If we want to make some type of ups and downs or hills, we can use some object called loft or depress faces. So I click on it. At the right side of my screen on the radius, you can increase the radius by typing your number. For example, 30 meter is good. Now the radius of 30 meter under attack. So I can click on this vertex, I sweep it up, sweep it down and sweep it up again like that. And if I want to do it much efficiently, I can increase my radius. For example, I type 50 meter and now I can click on it like this. As you can see, very simple and easy. We can do these jobs and works like that. And if you decrease your radius something about 12 meter, you can make this type of descents like that, or you can make down the hills like this. Very simple and easy. So sometimes we need to draw some type of things much smoother. So for smooth reasons you can increase your radius, for example 26 meter like that, and you can use this method for all of the places on your sandbox. You can select all of them, right click on them and click on the reverse faces. Now you have the original face on your screen. So another option we have in here is use selected object as the foundation tray. And another option is the drape or drop. We have the option called add edges, and another option we have is improve smoothness. So when I click on that, I must come to my model like this, click on it. Now for example I want to flip this like that. It makes your screen much smoother and your landscape much real. Sometimes for these type of places actually we have some broken lines. We can select these broken lines and click on the add edges. When I click on it, the details get much higher and we have some smoother regions in here. And another option I want to talk about is called the use a selected object. This time I'm gonna draw some type of box, for example like this. You imagine this is your house. I double click on it, I make some group. Now I move it a little bit on my terrain like this. Every place you want, no matter where. So I think for example this place is cool. Now I want to click on the use selected and I click on my screen. As you can see, we can make some type of very simple and easy straight faces like that. And another option is sometimes we need to create some type of passes on our way. So I come to the top view like this and camera parallel projection. So I'm gonna draw this line, 2-point arc, and draw this. I'm gonna offset it, something about that. I want to close it like this and delete this line. So I click on it. I'm gonna increase the height of it like this and that. I'm gonna come to the top view. As you can see, we are on the terrain. So I click on the drop option. Now I want to click on the terrain, and as you can see, we have these paths and line on our topography and terrain. You can change the color of it, very simple and easy, with some different lines and moves like that. And you can make your way much brighter than the past and different type of textures. So I delete all of it. And another option we have in here is a create terrain from a set of selected edges. When you want to import some type of terrain codes from the AutoCAD to SketchUp, you can use this option, and I will tell you at the next sessions. So this is our terrain. I'm going to click on it and make some type of material like the landscape, for example grasses, like this. Very simple and easy. Now I'm going to change my grass texture, something about 2 meter and 2 meter. I want to unlock my lock like this. Increase the green code, something about 166, and blue code about 56. I think it's good now. So I'm going to close my group. I click on it. We have some type of option called soften edges. Check soften coplaners and increase the degree of it. Now we have some real landscape in the SketchUp. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it. Please subscribe us, we need your support, and goodbye.